Egg on your sink. This is what plumbers will never tell you. And once you see it, you'll understand exactly why they keep it a secret. Stop wasting money on harsh chemical cleaners or expensive service calls. This method is simple, affordable, and uses ingredients you already have at home. But the results feel professional. Let's start step by step. First, grab a clean bowl and place it in front of you. Now crack one egg into the bowl. But here's the trick. We don't need the whole egg. We only need the egg white. If separating the yolk feels tricky, don't worry. There's a simple method. Take an empty plastic bottle, squeeze it slightly, then hold it over the yolk and release. You'll see the yolk get pulled right in instantly. It's quick, clean, and super effective. The egg white contains natural proteins that help bind the mixture together and allow it to stick to grease and grime inside the pipes. Next, grab your dish soap. Add exactly 5 tablespoons into the bowl. Any brand or scent will work. Citrus, lavender, apple, it doesn't matter. What matters is that dish soap is a powerful degreaser. It cuts through oil, grease, and buildup that usually clog your sink. Now mix the egg white and dish soap thoroughly using a fork or whisk. Keep mixing until the texture becomes smooth and slightly foamy. It might look unusual, but don't underestimate it. This mixture is extremely effective. Now before we move to the drain, here's a quick question. Comment below with your city. I love seeing where everyone is watching from. Now let's prepare your sink. If there's standing water, remove it using a cup or small bowl. This step is very important because it allows the mixture to go deep into the pipe where the real blockage exists. Once the drain is mostly clear, take your baking soda. Add 2 heaping tablespoons directly into the drain. Baking soda helps break down odors and starts loosening dirt and grime inside the pipe. Let it sit for about a minute so it can begin working. Now comes the powerful part. Slowly pour your egg white and dish soap mixture into the drain, directly over the baking soda. Immediately after that, add 1 cap, about 1 tablespoon of vinegar. You'll notice an instant bubbling and fizzing reaction. This happens because baking soda and vinegar react together. This reaction helps break down stubborn grease, bacteria, and buildup much faster. This is the step that most people don't know, and it's what makes this method so powerful, even for deeper pipe cleaning and outdoor drain systems. Would you try this at home? Comment yes or no. Now for the final step. Heat up 4 cups of water, not boiling, but hot enough to produce steam. Carefully pour it slowly into the drain. The heat activates everything. It pushes the mixture deeper into the pipe, melts grease, and helps remove residue stuck inside. You'll hear bubbling and light fizzing. That's a sign the mixture is working perfectly. Now here's a pro tip to make it even more powerful. Take a piece of plastic wrap and seal the drain tightly. This traps heat and creates light pressure inside, like a mini steam chamber. It forces the mixture to work deeper and more effectively. Leave it for about 15 minutes. During this time, the heat, vinegar reaction, and cleaning agents continue breaking down buildup from inside the pipes. Now remove the plastic and get ready. Run warm water through the drain. You'll instantly notice the difference. The water flows smoothly. The bad smell disappears, and your sink feels fresh and clean, almost like new. That slow, clogged drain? Fixed. That unpleasant odor? Gone. Now rate this tip from 0 to 10. I'd love to hear your opinion. See you in the next video.